Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Aries. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, Aries, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards here. We have book, fish and man. Maybe in your circumstances, guys, today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone, a really determined person, dedicated. So you have a lot of a strong willed person, and you have a lot of focus and attention maybe in your situation. You are dreaming, you are expecting some huge changes in your future, or you are expecting some lucrative returns in your work, or maybe you are focused on your future. You have a lot of determination and you are a strong-willed person, whatever you take up. Maybe in your work, whatever choices you make or whatever decisions you make, you stand by those choices and you are someone very confident and cheerful, guys, Aries. And maybe today in this relationship or in your work situation, whatever you need for clarity, maybe you are making some important decisions today and you need clarity, and maybe today you see clarity in certain things, some kind of circumstance giving you that clarity, or maybe people helping you, guiding you. So whatever was not known to you, maybe the reasons behind certain circumstances or some truth behind something. So you are quite curious also, guys, Aries, to find out about someone. So that may be in your relationship. Maybe you want to find out about this person, find out what they truly feel or what they are thinking about you or this connection. So you are curious about certain things, trying to find out. Or for some of you guys, I also see that maybe this person, or it may be your energy, they have some compulsive behavior. Maybe they are into some addictions and they are trying to control these addictions, but however hard they are trying, guys, it's really difficult for them and they are unable to control these habits and addictions they have, and it is affecting the way things are between you both. So some kind of misunderstandings or stress, anxiety in this relationship because of these bad habits. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We picked one card and it is choices. So it just means that nothing is right or wrong for you guys. Maybe you have a different option in this relationship or a different solution, maybe what you need to do. It is nothing right or wrong. It may be just based on the truth. So what do you truly feel about this relationship? So that is what is going to work out So maybe this person may have certain things in their heart, certain things on their mind, and that is what is going to influence their actions. And you may have certain things on your mind, and that is what is going to influence you in this relationship. So you need to understand that, guys. So your actions are not right and their actions are not wrong. It does not mean that way. It just means that based on what you truly feel, you are going to take up that choice. Maybe if you want this love, if you love them, you are going to stand by this person. If not, you are going to leave them. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So for your career situation, we have Mountain. So a lot of trials, a lot of obstacles, maybe challenges in your situation, but whatever it is, you are really focused and determined to overcome these challenges, guys. And you are spending a lot of time to make things right in your career situation, Aries. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Aries, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Aries, for your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstance, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with this first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, we have Cosmic Heart. So with this card, guys, it just means that in your circumstances today, maybe you have faced a lot of trials, a lot of difficulties, struggles, and you're trying to understand the reason for things going in a particular way, or the reason for maybe you're resisting something, resisting some changes or some circumstances. But whatever it is you do, maybe you feel really uncomfortable today, but you need to understand that life is unfolding just as it should. Maybe whether you understand it or not, whether you accept it or not. So that is the meaning with this card, guys. So in your circumstances today, you need some clarity or some kind of understanding, and you are attempting to hold on to things you don't want to lose, maybe, and you don't want to let go, and you don't want to change yourself. Maybe your circumstances are pushing you towards some changes, and you feel that you cannot handle those changes, or handle a change in your the way you are, or in your situation. So you are resisting some change happening to you or happening to your circumstances. But you need to understand that you don't need to know what is going on, guys. Maybe sometimes life will unfold some circumstances, some things we may not understand, but it will be for our own good. So universe is aligning some changes for you today in your life, guys. Maybe in your personal life or in your career situation, whatever it is, and it is that divine destiny that is being delivered to you, whether you like it or not, or whether you understand it or not. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have why. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in our life, in this relationship, we often we often go through certain circumstance, we often engage in our relationships, maybe our feelings are not always logical. Maybe now you need to try to understand whether these feelings are triggered by something of the past. Maybe what is the motivation behind these behavior of yours. You need to ask yourself why you are feeling this way, or why you said certain things to this person. So you need to spend time in introspection, thinking about what needs to be done. Listen to the messages from your intuition deep down within you. What does it tell about yourself? So life is a deep understanding of our needs and how to get them, guys. So we need to uncover deep down in our heart. We will know why we are expecting certain things, or why we are behaving in such a way. So these powerful questions we can ask ourselves and our partner today. So that is going to uncover the answers. What is the true intentions we have in our situation? If it is true love we have towards this person, that is the reason for our behavior or for our words, we can go ahead. But if the answer is something of the past, maybe we want to say some things to this person, some unresolved issues we have with our past person, and we just take it out on this person we are with. So if that is the case, that is the motive behind this relationship, we must think again whether we need this connection. So we need to be clear about the motives we have today towards this person, towards this relationship, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.